Right, so guys, here we are, we're in Kyrenia, and we've just been told by the tour lady that if we walk this way, we're through the shops first. Everywhere leads to the harbour. We could have gone the other way, that leads to the castle, but we're going to do the shops, which are in front of us. We'll stop at the restaurant because we are hungry, and then going to walk down to the harbour, and then from there we'll go to the castle, and then back to the coach. Come on, you're waiting for? So here we are, we're going to stop at the George for a bite to eat. Let's go and have a look at the menu, see what they've got. Guys, here we are, we're sitting in the George, and we've looked at the menu. Unfortunately, he's took the menu away, so I can't actually show it you. But the average price now, considering it's around about 18 lira to €1. So when you look at the prices, you're looking 250 lira a meal. How much is that, Jules?
250 would work out, 100 lira works out at about £5.55.
So about £5.55 for 100 lira,
That's
roughly. €5.55 for 100 lira. So looking about the average meal between 150 lira and 250 lira. We've gone for 3 Caesar salads. What you had, Cuzza?
I've had hot dog and chips, and that's
Hot dog and chips.
75 Turkish lira.
We bought our own version of Forrest Gump with us.
that's like 6.
It looks very cool, Forrest Gump. Anyway, we'll show you the food when it comes out. Hopefully won't take too long. We've got Ethos, is it, what's the lager called? Ethos lager. And I've gone for a recorder league cider because I'm fed up with seeing lager. So we'll come back to you in a minute when the food comes out. In the meantime, let's show you Forrest Gump. So guys, this is my very own Forrest Gump. This is my Uncle Cuzza. We love him to bits. But he's a bit on the daft side.
I shan't tell you what I'm thinking.
Okay, don't tell us what you're thinking. That's Forrest, nice introduction. Here's Julie. Alright, Jules. Alright. So guys, oh, let's switch it around because that's my mother. If you like what you see, I know it's a light-hearted channel. We ain't too serious on there. Don't pretend to be professional or anything. If you like what you see, give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. Right, we're going to wait for the food to come out. We'll show you the food. Guys, look at this, that's the Caesar salad. That looks absolutely banging. Cuzza's got his hot dog.
I ain't got my
Turn it
chips.
round, Cuzza.
I ain't got my chips.
Let's have a look. Try not to knock it off the table.
Ask me where my chips
He's got a hot dog, but he's a bit disappointed because he's got no chips with it. So we've got 3 Caesar salads, we've got the hot dog. Let's go in for a bit of this. So guys, here we are at the harbour. You've got the castle to the right hand side. Lots of restaurants, fish restaurants, big boats. There's some wild cats about. Listen to the music in the background. Yeah, so that, guys, this is Kyrenia Harbour. Nice place to come and eat. Hello. Hello. Lots of little shops around here. Sushi corner. FS beer seems to be the main beer around here. Nice really old buildings here, all part of the castle. Let's go and get you a view of the harbour. That guys, the castle to the right hand side of us. What a view. Guys, you can really smell the food around here. It smells absolutely delicious. It's like when all your neighbours are doing a barbecue. That's the smell we've got at the minute. Big mega barbecue. 40 minutes left, so we've got to make our way back to the coach. Hopefully we'll get near the castle. I don't think we'll get to go in there.
Yeah.
Very
What
nice.
can you offer us if we come here?
Oh, everything have. You wanna see
What
the
sort
menu?
of food?
The fish side have, it's in the meat have beef, lamb, chicken, and the very nice cocktails menu have.
Cocktails.
Yeah, cocktails menu card. And also very good service, very good drink, but just I am crazy.
Just you.
He's a crazy man, he's a crazy man. He's a crazy man, so you've got to come and see him.
It's live music,
The live music
8:30 every night.
every night.
So guys, this is Marty Restaurant, Fish and Steakhouse in Kyrenia town. Come and see him. What's your name?
My name is Karpi.
Carpe. Come and see
Carpe,
Carpe.
Heidi.
Someone come and see Carpe. You won't get Julie with him because she's coming back with me, unfortunately. But come and see Marty Restaurant, Carpe.
Yeah, crazy place.
Crazy place, crazy man.
But it's
Likes the women, likes my woman.
yeah.
You can take her if you
Every
want to.
time is in a crazy guarantee here.
Okay then. So guys, come and see him.
See you.
Kyrenia town.
Bye bye.
Thank you, bud.
you.
Right, so guys, I think I'm going to have to end it there. Hopefully you'll join me on the next adventure. Get some sun with Paz. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Go on, it don't cost you a penny. See you in the next adventure.